in Santa Monica and watching the training of Tyson Fury for his fight against Deontay Wilder this 1st of December.
Yes, I can. Great story.
Yeah.
I was born 8 weeks premature and I died 3 times when I was a baby, and I weighed in at 1 pound in weight. I was born in 1988. My dad was a massive boxing fan and he was also a professional boxer, so he called me after his greatest ever fighter, Mike. He called me Tyson. It was my dad's favourite fighter, was Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson was in his heyday in 1988. Very fitting that I should go on and be the heavyweight champion of the world. Odds against that would be very stacked high, not in your favour. It's a very interesting story, but very achievable.
Finally, sir, something for the Mexican people. You have a lot of followers with the Mexican people. Please, something for them.
Thank you for the support, all the Mexican people, and I hope you tune in and watch the fight on December the 1st.
Well, you got some black fans too.
Well, thank you to the black fans too.
I had to say it.
Listen, I don't care where people are from, who they are, what they are. I respect all the fans, all boxing fans. I respect. You have to as a man. Without the fans, what are we? We're nothing.
What's different about Tyson today compared to Tyson that beat Klitschko?
The Tyson that beat Klitschko is dead and gone. He don't exist anymore. That was years ago. I don't live on the past. I only live for today and tomorrow. Whatever happened yesterday is history. I live for today.
When you beat Klitschko, you said that getting to the top of the mountain, there was kind of nothing. At that point in time, you felt like there was nothing left for you.
Yeah, that's why I retired.
Are you at all concerned that beating Deontay Wilder, that you might have that same feeling again, or do you feel like a different person?
That's a good question. Well, a question that I'm not really. I don't look past Deontay Wilder. You know, I'm only interested in Deontay Wilder. How I feel about Deontay Wilder fight is, I just want to win that fight, and I might retire afterwards. I don't know, because I only race to the occasions on the night. I said it before, when the great Klitschko, 25 title defences, a so-called super champion, he was talking to me and he said, "You want what I have?" I said, "What do you have? A load of belts." "And what?" I said, "I don't want that, I want to punch your face in." That's all I wanted, and I want to do the same to Deontay Wilder. I don't want what he has. I only want to beat him in a fight, and then he can go on about his business and I can do mine. That's it. It ain't personal. I just want to beat the best when they are the best. Because if this is going to be my era, then I've got to beat all comers.
How's testing coming? Because that was a big debate.
Yeah, I've got USADA and VADA. So we've got two different groups here, which I insisted we had 2 different groups, just to make it proper fair. So you never know what's going to go on with these people. We all know about it. So, does anyone think I've got sexy legs? Fine legs I've got, Anna.
How do you choose your shorts?
These are underpants.
Your undies.
Yeah, and this brand is called Oddballs, and it's a charity for testicle cancer. Every penny that's been made from selling these underwear goes to testicle cancer, and I wear these because my friend recently has been suffering with testicle cancer. So that's why I wear them in aid and supporting spread awareness of testicle cancer.
What company makes it, Ben?
Oddballs. Yep. So if you want to be loud like the Gypsy King, wearing different coloured underwear, and do your bit for charity, go to Oddballs and do a bit. They're only cheap.
You gonna wear them in the ring or not? You want to jump to you?
100%. I'm going to ask the California State Commission if I can wear these instead of shorts.
Tyson, in real time, how long did it take to get this deal done? In real time?
Real time, this is the God's honest truth. It took no longer than a week. I didn't have no special requests at all, and neither did Deontay. I've never met more fairer, more decent people than his team ever in boxing. The Klitschkos were a nightmare. They didn't want me to fight with my hands in front. They probably would have tied my hands up behind my back if they could. But Deontay Wilder is a true man of his word, and so is his team. And you got to respect people like that. They don't want no advantages, they don't want nothing. Everyone done what they said they were going to do, and I did my bit as well, and it was made very, very quick. When 2 men want to fight each other and want to be the best, then things are easy to make. When one man wants to fight somebody but the other one doesn't, then nothing can ever be made. There's a saying, you can take a horse to water but you can never make it drink. And in that, Eddie Hearn brung his horse to the canal but it didn't want to drink. Not even golden water it didn't want to drink. So we stepped up and we're going to do a battle royale.